In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox storage plan. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly which Dropbox plan you're on, how much total storage it includes, and how much of that space you've already used. Let's keep it simple and clear so you can find this information in just a minute or two. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. This works best on a desktop or laptop, but any modern browser is fine. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your usual login details. If you're prompted for a verification code, just complete that as you normally would. After you're signed in, you'll land in your Dropbox home view. Now look to the top right corner of the page for your avatar. This is your profile button, and it might show a small photo or just your initials in a circle. Click that avatar to open a menu. From the options that appear, select Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings, where you can view and adjust various preferences tied to your profile and subscription. On the account settings page, focus on the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of sections there. Click the subscriptions tab in that sidebar. This is the dedicated area for plan and billing details. On the subscriptions page, you'll see your current plan type at the top, such as Basic, Plus, or Professional. Right next to or just below the plan name, you'll see the total storage limit attached to that plan. This tells you the maximum amount of space included. You'll also notice a colored bar that gives you a visual snapshot of your usage. The filled portion represents how much storage you've used so far, and the remaining portion shows what's still available. Next to the bar, you'll usually see numbers that make this crystal clear, like how many gigabytes are used out of your total limit. This view is helpful for quickly confirming whether you're comfortably within your allowance or approaching your cap. If you ever need to reference this information later, remember that it's always in the same place: avatar in the corner, manage account, then subscriptions on the left. It's a good idea to check in here periodically so you're aware of your plan and usage, especially if you work with large files or share folders frequently. That's all you need to do to check your Dropbox storage plan and see how much space you have left. Thanks for watching.